Things you should know before starting Walmart Marketplace dropshipping in 2024. Understanding Walmart Marketplace. Walmart Marketplace is a platform where third-party sellers can list their products alongside Walmart's own products. It's a great way to reach a large audience with over 140 million monthly visitors. Dropshipping requirements. You need to have a Shopify store to connect to Walmart Marketplace. You'll need to set up a separate product listing and inventory management system. You'll be responsible for handling customer service and returns. Product requirements. Walmart has strict product requirements, including product must be new and genuine, product must be in its original packaging, product must meet Walmart's quality and safety standards. Fees and pricing. Walmart charges a commission fee on each sale, ranging from 8% to 15%. You'll also need to pay for shipping and handling. Set your prices competitively, taking into account your costs and Walmart's fees. Shipping and fulfillment. You'll need to arrange for shipping and fulfillment, either through your own network or a third-party logistics provider. Ensure timely and accurate shipping to maintain high customer satisfaction. Compliance and taxes. Ensure you comply with all relevant laws, including taxes, in the states where you ship products. Keep accurate records of sales, taxes, and inventory. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your products and drive traffic to your Shopify store. Utilize social media, email marketing, and other channels to reach potential customers. Walmart's rules and policies. Familiarize yourself with Walmart's policies on product listing, pricing, and customer service. Ensure you comply with all policies to avoid account suspension or termination. By understanding these requirements, you'll be better equipped to succeed in Walmart Marketplace dropshipping in 2024.